Hi folks. Today I'm going to teach you all about investing in cannabis stocks. Now, I'm not a licensed stockbroker and I'm not a financial advisor, so please just take this video as education, and that's all it is. I'm educating you on how I'm trading on cannabis stocks. Well, what you do is you make a decision in your life. You say to yourself, yes, I believe in the future of cannabis, and I believe it's going to be a very important part of the future of the world, and it's going to help people. Therefore, I want to get involved at a ground floor level. Now, right now it's May 2018. In a couple months, cannabis will go legal in Canada and probably in America soon to follow. We're already noticing on a global scale that cannabis is legal in Germany, in South America, in Israel, and in most countries of the world. Just America is illegal. So let's go ahead and think what would happen if cannabis became legal here in North America. Well, first of all, there would be a taxing and regulatory net framework set up to get this out of the hands of the black market, and that's $1 billion a year industry. And then we would take it over and allow it to be in the hands of big corporations that will grow the cannabis and grow it at top quality and then distribute it around the world and get everybody nice and high. Now, there's really nothing wrong with this. Secondly, we're noticing that doctors all around the world are coming online and agreeing that cannabis saves lives. And it's our human right to have access to this medicine. So you have doctors that will prescribe it, you have patients that need it, and you have corporations that are already starting to grow giant amounts of cannabis in Canada. They have million square foot facilities that are harvesting hundreds of thousands of kilos a year in each facility. So when you do that on a large scale, you're going to go get a lot of money out of this cannabis, especially when you can grow it at under $1 a gram, yet you could sell it at $10 a gram, which is the market price. So when you break that up into a kilogram, you're just making a lot of profit. So in knowing this, and one more thing I want to point out, the hemp plant is a cannabis plant. So when cannabis goes legal, hemp becomes legal. Hemp is one of the most valuable cash crops in the world. It can be used to make clothes. It can be used to make plastics. It can also be used to make fuel. And it can be also used to make medicine and just a number of other things. So when you legalize cannabis, you legalize hemp, and you create a green industry that will bring with it hundreds of thousands of jobs, including the computer work that goes into it, the labor force, the distribution network, the growers, just everything. And then you'll also bring with it a bunch of money to be made in taxes, which, this will build highways. This will build the future infrastructure of the world. And so I truly believe in the power of cannabis as it has this ability to change the world. Okay, so let's move forward. How do you invest in cannabis companies right now in May in 2018 before it goes legal? Well, I found a way. I personally opened up an online trading account at TD Ameritrade. It was very easy to do. I could do it on my phone. And then I funded that account. I put money into my TD Ameritrade account so I could trade with it. Then I researched all the companies in the cannabis world, the guys that are licensed producers and that have plans to extract oils and make medicine and grow large amounts and sell it. So these guys, I believe, will be the future winners. I've researched these companies. I've gone over about 200 companies, and I've narrowed it down to about 10 that I see as being the winners. I'll go ahead and share my portfolio with you. Some of the companies that I invested in